Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to download and install the PlayIt app, then watch this video. So we'll open the browser and then we will go to www.playit.app and hit the enter button. Now since you're downloading PlayIt app for the Windows version, click on for Windows and then click on download. And then we'll just open the folder, right click and then click on run as administrator. Click on next and then next and click on install and then just run on the finish button. Now once that is done, here it is. You can run any video on the using the PlayIt app. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.